Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to add Fingerprint to apps on Android. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your Android phone and open the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Next, scroll down, find, and tap on the Password and Security option. Step 3. From the menu, locate the Fingerprint Unlock option and tap on it. If you haven't set up a screen lock yet, you'll need to choose a lock format, such as a PIN, pattern, or password. Step 4. Now, wait a few seconds, then tap on the Got It option. You'll be prompted to enter a password. Type in your chosen password, then re-enter it for confirmation. Tap on the Confirm option to proceed. Step 5. Next, press your finger on the fingerprint sensor and follow the on-screen instructions to register your fingerprint. Make sure to move your finger slightly to capture all areas of the print. Once done, tap on the Done option to save your fingerprint. Step 6. Now go back to the Settings menu, scroll down, and open the Apps section. Step 7. Within the Apps menu, find the App Lock option and tap on it. Then select the Turn On option to enable it. Step 8. You'll now be asked to set up a password. Enter your password, confirm it by entering it again, and then tap on the Next option to continue. Follow the steps to complete the setup. Step 9. From the menu, select the Use App Lock option. Then verify your fingerprint when prompted, and the feature will be enabled successfully. Step 10. To check if it's working, go back to your home screen and open any app that you locked. Simply place your finger on the fingerprint sensor and the app will unlock instantly. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.